Would you like to save time with your marketing content? Today I'm going to share with you how I use AI to focus on marketing for my ideal customers so I can build the business of my dreams. And I'm going to show you all my super secrets right now. So let's get to it. And today's video is brought to you by Vermont. Now, if you don't know what marketing is, then check out the video I did last week because it gives you ideas of getting ready for your AI content marketing. So let's go inside, check out the computer. I'm gonna show you my step-by-steps on what I do and how to get you started ASAP. Okay, so we're on my laptop real quick. We're gonna go ahead and do these steps on using AI, and we're going to use AI automatically starting in Google. So I'll just give you an example of what you could do. You have a portfolio ready to monetize, you know who your clients are, it's time to get to it. I'm going to pick out this image because it's a difficult image to actually talk about. Many people do this, so we're going to take it to the next level. So this was shot in New England. This is image.googles.com. So you have ideas of your clients, your marketing, but maybe you want a little bit more information about your shot. Yes, you know, say what the name of the flower is or the hiking places or the landscape, but this gives you a little bit extra ideas. That's what I like about AI. It's an idea generator. So I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow flower and I'm going to drop it into Google Images. I'm going to right click. And I'm going to go search image with Google. And the AI is working. This is another AI. It's not generating the work, but it is looking for work that is similar. And if my image is like everyone else, then I will reshoot it, just so you know. Once in a while, I may say, no, I need to definitely just keep it because it's to my heart and I know my clients will like it. So these are called golden rods, and you can see, and I didn't know they were called golden rods. If you want ideas of what, I want to talk about golden rods now because my clients will understand what a golden rod is, at least over here in the East Coast. Here's in the Carolinas, how to grow and care for golden rods. All right, let's do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and now this website will give me some ideas. Maybe we could talk about golden rods and how to prune them. If this is something that my clients love, are these yellow goldenrod flowers, we can give them information about the actual flower. This will attract your clients because this is what they like. They like to garden, but they don't know how to photograph. And they may love goldenrods, right? Since I've known now that they're goldenrods, I'm going to say golden rods in New Hampshire. Flowers. Here we go. It's a range of sweet goldenrod grows through dry woods, especially sandy oil, the oak, forest and woodlands. Okay, this is great. I'm going to copy that, and now we're going to go into chat because it's giving me some information where they're found. Sweet goldenrods grow in dry open woods. We could tell a story from that to grab attention. So let's go ahead and do that next. Now we'll get into chat and start telling the story. We're going to go to, you can see, chatopenai.com. So you're going to go here, you're going to start a new chat over here to the left. And what I would do is start off with tell a story about my latest, or it might not even be your latest image, but let's just say latest image of golden rods from New Hampshire. You could add to this and put what was exciting about it, right, in first person, the beauty of the yellow flowers popping out from the forest. Remember, it said it was from the goldenrods are grown in the forest. There's always something difficult when we photograph, when we take things for granted. Things just don't come to us and say, oh, I just got the perfect shot. So what was difficult about photographing it? Difficult was the wind, because those rods are big, so I had wind problems. Wind, and I also had a lot of dead leaves in the frame. Then I would say best part of photographing, put fresh air and watching bees pollinate. Can you please tell a story? So let's do that. So it's telling me a story and I'll give you the gist of it right now. Now, once I take this story, I change it. It just gives me ideas. I've given Chat my experience that I know I and my ideal customer would enjoy. As I stood in the heart of New Hampshire's lush forest, well, I probably wouldn't say that. I would say, as I was standing in New Hampshire's beautiful forest, my camera in hand and the sense of wonder in my heart, that's me, I found myself utterly captivated by the scene before me. Isn't that beautiful? And that's going to resonate. Please make this shorter and use some of these key words. Okay, and I copied that from Google, and I'm going to put all this in. See? Oak pines. This might give me some ideas on where they're grown so I could talk about it. Okay, here we go. I love it. So it made it shorter, gives me some new ideas. Within the oak pines, because they grow around the oaks, which I really didn't know, the sandy, and there is sand here, so this is true. So it's giving me ideas to share with my clients that these beautiful flowers that are here all in abundance are grown within sandy soils, they're on slopes. I can write so much about these flowers to resonate with my marketing. Your call to action is the main thing. What do you want them to do once they read this? Sign up for my newsletter for more images coming out. Private message me if you love this photograph. I'm going to be at this show on the 15th. I'd love to see you there. That's a call to action. So you have the call to action of what you truly want, and you're focused on that. There's so many ways to connect to your client. You know your client. You know how you want to connect with them. Always talk to them as a person. You're talking to people. I know we get caught up in, especially now, AI. So next, what I do, I'm going to share with you two different things. I love to use Grammarly too, because I'm not a good writer, but I'll just give you my gist. So let's just pretend that you're a good writer and you're going to adjust this later. But one of the things, I'm going to show you two different companies, Detector and Paraphrasing. So when I find something that I truly like, I'm going to go ahead. This is just going to, right now, I'm telling a story. It's going to go on Facebook. I like to start my things on Facebook, telling my stories. So I'm just going to go ahead and just make this really small and quick, and just go ahead and do a copy. And then I'm going to share with you these two other companies that I truly love. So Detector, you could see app. There's probably others out there, so no worries. Detector is really cool. What you're going to do is you're going to paste what you just received from Chat, And then you're going to go down and you're going to click check. And now it should go to the red because, oh my gosh, it didn't. I can't believe it. Okay, see this? This should go to the red because it's AI, but maybe because I missed. That's funny. Hold on one second. I'm going to do this big, huge thing. Maybe because I went ahead and changed it up a little bit. Okay, we just got this straight from chat. It really should be. Let's start this. Oh, we don't want to go here. We're going to start this again because it didn't work. It's probably because I moved things around. Now let's go to check. Okay, there we go. Yes. Okay. See how it went all the way to the right? That's because it's straight from chat. Now, what I did was before I went ahead and took the Google information, I asked it to write it smaller and I asked to put this in. So I changed the way it was written. Most of you will see that it will go to 100%. And basically what that is saying is, yes, AI has detected that this was not written by a human. That will put you down in the Google. So please, please do not use these AI tools and then push it off to wherever you're going, because that you don't want to use it for that. Please don't. That's just like cheating. You're just getting yourself way down into the bottom of the Google barrel, and Google will not push you up, and that's really, really bad. So if you want to use it for your blog posts or whatever you're up to, so be just like I say in the very beginning, be yourself. Don't let AI take over. So, okay, so what we're going to do is that this is a free tool, which is really great. Don't know how long it's going to last, so definitely check into it. We'll go ahead and take this because we know AI it's like, no, ding, ding. So we're going to go to paraphrase now. See where it says quillbot.com? Now this one's only free up to so many words, and you could pay for it if you want. But most of you will not be doing long drawn out content. But let's just do it anyway. So I'm going to do a copy and paste. And here's the story. See how it has the premium, you can have more. And right here it says 125 words. So basically it's not going to do the whole thing because I have 429 words. And it will only do 125. So we'll just go ahead and put paraphrase so you can see what it does. So now what it's doing is taking the AI, which is absolutely amazing. And seriously, I could do this in 5 minutes. It's like boom, boom, boom. And then I can go in and see, is it the way I talk? Maybe, maybe not. So, but it has taken it out and changed it. So let's go back to here. If I copy this, I don't normally do this, but let's just go back to the detector and change it and make sure that I'm going to share with you what I'm saying is true. And I will paste that in, get it all ready, and we're going to go to check. And see how it's green? So it has moved things around to say, hey, this is not a bot. But if you were writing this, look at this, I was completely enthralled. That is not Janice. So there's no way that I'm going to use this word, enthralled. So you really truly need to go through this and put your verbiage in and what will entice your ideal customer. Talk the talk. You don't need to entice, you just be yourself. But you got to talk the talk of what your ideal customer would love. But we want to do a campaign now. We want to really push out our content to where our followers are at. So you can say, please, can you please write an Instagram post on the above information. We'll see what it does. Nature's Golden Symphony. How cute is that? And they even put the emojis on there. So look at how awesome this is. And what they've even done is they went ahead and they put in hashtags for you. They did emojis. And of course, I would still go in here and make sure that the verbiage is exactly the way I would talk to my clients. And then I'm a Twitter person, so I'll say, please write 10 Twitter posts on these flowers. Okay, here we go. Sweet goldenrods. And now you have content. Even if you don't use all of these, it gives you ideas, which is absolutely amazing. It's pulling it out. So here we go. Sweet goldenrods not only add a burst of color to the forest, but also provides essential nectars to bees and pollinators. Add color to your home. Need color for your project. Do you see where I'm going with this? It just gives you ideas to keep you going, and it works amazing for content marketing. So as you can see, AI is here to help us move things quickly. It is a tool that you can use just like you do when you post-process. I'm sure that you have bought things to help you process your images faster. Let me know down below your thoughts on AI. I'm curious to find out how you feel. It is something new. We don't know the future yet, but let's try to embrace it the best we can as creators and use it our way, make our work, talk our talk, with a little bit of help to get things moving quickly, just like we do with our software. Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe to the channel so every single week you get a video that will build your dream business for macro, landscape, and nature photographers.